Imagine you're starting an online store. You've got a great product idea, a passion for entrepreneurship, but you're not sure which platform to choose. AliDropship or Shopify? Which one is better? Let's dive in and find out. Section 1. Understanding the basics. What are AliDropship and Shopify and how do they work? AliDropship, a WordPress plugin that turns your website into a dropshipping store. It integrates with AliExpress, allowing you to sell products without holding inventory. Shopify, a comprehensive e-commerce platform that offers everything you need to build and run an online store, from themes and payment gateways to marketing tools. So, which one is right for you? Let's break down their key features. Section 2. Key features comparison. Cost. AliDropship. One-time fee for the plugin, plus ongoing WordPress hosting costs. Shopify. Monthly subscription fee with various pricing plans. Ease of use. AliDropship requires technical knowledge, especially for WordPress customization. Shopify. User-friendly interface with drag-and-drop editing. Product sourcing. AliDropship integrates directly with AliExpress for easy product importing. Shopify offers more flexibility to source products from various suppliers. Customization. AliDropship. High customization options through WordPress themes and plugins. Shopify offers a wide range of themes and app store for customization. Marketing tools. AliDropship. Basic marketing tools integrated with the plugin. Shopify. Comprehensive marketing tools, including email marketing, SEO, and social media integration. Section 3. AliDropship pros and cons. Pros. Affordable one-time fee. Deep integration with AliExpress. High customization possibilities. Cons. Requires technical knowledge. Limited marketing tools. Less flexibility in product sourcing. Section 4. Shopify pros and cons. Pros. User-friendly interface. Comprehensive marketing tools. Flexibility in product sourcing. Large app ecosystem for customization. Cons. Monthly subscription fees. Less customization options compared to AliDropship. Section 5. Choosing the right platform. So, which platform is better for you? The answer depends on your specific needs and goals. If you're on a tight budget and have technical skills, AliDropship might be a good option. If you prioritize ease of use, comprehensive marketing tools, and flexibility in product sourcing, Shopify is likely a better fit. Here are some additional factors to consider. Asterisk your product niche. Asterisk some niches may have specific requirements that one platform better suits. Asterisk your long-term goals. Asterisk are you planning to scale your business or keep it small? Asterisk your comfort level with technology. Asterisk if you're not tech-savvy, Shopify's user-friendly interface might be a better choice. Ultimately, the best way to decide between AliDropship and Shopify is to try them out for yourself. Both platforms offer free trials, so you can test them and see which one works best for your business. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.